Welcome to my video on scales of measurement. This video I am planning to discuss the 4 scales of measurement or levels of measurement. After data collection, the next step is to analyze the data. For that, it is essential to understand the nature of data you have collected for analysis. Different variables will be there. It may be qualitative or quantitative. For qualitative data, certain labels as nominal scale or ordinal scale is used. For quantitative data, interval scales and ratio scales can be used. What are the 4 levels of measurement or scales of measurement? They are the least or lowest one is the nominal scale, then comes the ordinal scale, then interval scale and ratio scale. So what is nominal scale? This is the first level of measurement and is the simplest level of measurement. Serial numbers are used to name or identify people, objects or events. It doesn't have any order or hierarchy and doesn't convey any numerical value. Example, certain variables like color, gender, blood group, nationality, religion, all these comes under the nominal scale. So this is the first level of measurement scale in which number serves as labels only to identify or classify an object. This deals with non-numeric variables. Here the numbers have no values. It is qualitative. Numbers are used to identify the objects. For example, gender. We give 1, 2, 3 just to identify the variable. There is no value for this 1, 2 and 3. Gender, 1 is male, 2 female, 3 transgender. It can be 1 female, 2 male, 3 transgender or vice versa. Blood group, 1 A positive, 2 B positive, 3 AB positive, 4 O positive. Here 1, 2, 3 used as tags and have no value. Another example, if in order to assess the degree of anxiety, 1 mild anxiety, 2 moderate anxiety, 3 severe anxiety. Again, disagree, agree. 1 agree, 2 disagree. So like that, numbers do not mean that one is better or worse than the other. They are used to classify and do not represent the amount or the quantity. Then comes the ordinal scale. That is the second level of measurement. Groups variables into categories just like the nominal scale. Have an order or hierarchy. Ranks data without any degree of variation between them. For example, low income, medium income or middle income or high income. Level of education, pain. How much pain you have on a scale of 1 to 10. So it can be, the pain can be 1 or 3 or 5 or 10. So this is the second level of measurement. Orders and ranks data without any degree of variation between them. It can be grouped, named and also ranked. For example, education, 1 primary, 2 secondary, 3 graduate, 4 professional. Another example for income, high, 1 high, 2 medium and 3 low. Another example, degree of agreement, 1 agree, 2 neutral, 3 disagree. This is the ordinal scale of measurement. So here it orders and ranks data without any degree of variation between them. It is the second level of measurement. Then comes the interval scale. This is the third level of measurement. It has a known and equal distance between each value on the scale, and the peculiarity is that it has no true zero. It quantifies the difference between the values. So used to measure variables with equal intervals between values. Interval scale contains all properties of the ordinal scale, plus it offers a calculation of the difference between variables. So the special thing about this is equal intervals and absence of absolute zero. One example is attitude scale, Likert scale. Then temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. A value of 0 on an interval scale does not mean that the variable is absent. That is, for example, a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius does not mean there is no temperature to be measured. It is very low or cold temperature. So used for numerical variables with known intervals of the same distance. Then comes the ratio level. This is the fourth level of measurement, quantitative level of measurement with equal intervals between each point, same as the interval scale with one key difference of having true zero. So this is the fourth level of measurement scale. It is quantitative, allows comparison of differences or intervals, has true zero. Variables can be orderly, added, subtracted, multiplied or divided. The statistics used in each scales of measurement. In nominal scale, the statistics used are frequency distribution, that is number and percentages, and mode. How many females, how many males, how many have blood group O positive. So this is just takes a count, that is the mode. The frequency of occurrence. In ordinal scale, frequency distribution, number and percentages, mode and median. In interval scale, frequency distribution, number and percentages, mode, median, mean, standard deviation, variance, and inferential statistics can be used. So under inferential statistics, parametric tests and non-parametric tests are there. Parametric tests as independent t-test, paired t-test, ANOVA to compare the mean values of three or more, Pearson's correlation coefficient, simple linear regression, non-parametric test as Mann-Whitney test for comparing the sum of ranks of score between two independent data. So all such statistics, inferential statistics, comes in interval scale. Again, many other statistics are Wilcoxon, mass pairs, sign rank test, Kruskal-Wallis test, Spearman's law, all these will come. In ratio level or scale of measurement, frequency distribution, number and percentages, mode, median, mean, standard deviation, variance, inferential statistics, as in the case of interval scale of measurement also comes. Hope the explanation regarding the four types of data measurement scales, nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio is clear. Thank you.